Hello you guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new, my name is Miriam. In today's video I'm going to be taking you guys along with me for my Sunday routine, basically what I do mostly every Sunday. So I am just going to be vlogging throughout the day, my daily activities, things I'm going to be doing. I normally cook, clean, I go to the store sometimes if I need to. I edit my videos on Sundays. I also record some of my videos on Sundays, so you guys will have a lot of behind the scene footage of upcoming videos. So without further ado, I'm going to start out my routine. I already have breakfast, so we're about to get right into the video. you guys, I want you guys to let me know if I'm the only one that experiences this or if y'all have the same struggle. My husband, for some reason, always leaves his gym stuff right here. Like, gym bag right here, gym clothes right here, whatever else this is that he uses for the gym right here. So annoying. Like, I know I'm not the only one that has these little things that your spouse does that just, like, I'll never understand. Like, just bring the damn stuff upstairs or keep it in your car. Like, let me know if y'all have the same struggle. It's probably different, but if y'all have the same struggle, please let me know so I feel like I'm alone. Died. I guess it couldn't take too much of my recording today. But it's about 6 o'clock and I already swept and mopped while the camera was dead. All I have to do is edit. I have a video that I'm gonna edit. I'm probably gonna edit this one now and I'm gonna call it a night. I did finish cooking back here. I have the rice and pasta and whatever you guys told me to make earlier. I normally like to make 2 different dishes on Sunday because whatever they don't eat or whatever's left over I can roll over until Monday, and then I can kind of have like a relaxed day or a free day on Monday, kind of a freebie day. But I am gonna end it here. I'm about to edit the video and get myself ready for the rest of the week. And I didn't have to run to the store luckily because my husband went, and I wouldn't be able to vlog anyway because it's dark outside. Like, it's 6 o'clock and it looks like it's 12 o'clock midnight. But if you are still with me and you're still watching, make sure you hit the subscribe button and join the family. And my son wants to say bye. Bye. Okay. And I'll see you in my next video.